Tectonic Shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hello tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tectonic Shift, your go-to channel for mastering modern tech tools and finding solutions to everyday technical challenges. Whether you are a tech-savvy guru or just starting out, we have got you covered with insightful content that will empower you in your digital journey. Let's dive right in. In today's video, I will be guiding you through the process of seamlessly migrating a WordPress website or blog from one hosting or domain to another. Essentially, we will learn how to duplicate or clone a WordPress website to a different domain or hosting without any data loss, whether it's related to the front end or back end. So, whether you are looking to switch hosting providers or expand your online presence by creating a duplicate site, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and invaluable tips to ensure a smooth and successful migration. Without further ado, let's embark on this exciting journey of WordPress website migration. Today, we are going to migrate this new blog which is going to replace this old blog website. And in today's video, I will do it via a WordPress plugin called Duplicator. As I want to migrate this blog, so first of all, let's start from this one. So I am assuming that you are already logged in into the blog. That's why this dashboard is being shown here. So let's go to the dashboard, admin panel, and under plugins, click add new. Type duplicator. Here we will find duplicator WordPress migration and backup plugin having 1+ million active installations. Simply click on install now. Once installed, click on activate. So here you can create your first package by clicking here, or you can go to the plugins, and under the plugins list you can again go to the duplicator settings, or you can simply click on this duplicator icon as duplicator plugin install dedicated icon under the dashboard here. So it all depends on you from where you can go to the duplicator settings and then start your migration process. So simply click on this. I'm clicking on this create first package button here, and you can name your blog. I'm going with the default settings, and then click on next here. So first of all, it will scan your website so that whether it is migratable or it has some issues. So you can see that everything seems good. You can click on build your package. So it has started building the package. It will take a couple of minutes here, depends on the size of your website. So here it is, package build completed. So it took only 15 seconds on my side. It can vary upon different factors, whether on which host you are currently working, and what are the load on the servers under your which your website is hosted. Actually, it will download two files. One is the installer file and one is the archive of your website having database backups as well. So you can click on this button. It will download both simultaneously, or you can click installer and archive button one by one so that it will download both of the files. So after click on the installer, I have installer.php file downloaded here, and then I will click on archive button. So it will start downloading archive here. So downloading has been completed. Next, it's time to upload the downloaded files to the new hosting or domain hosting using your preferred FTP client or the built-in file manager in your hosting control panel. For this demonstration, I will be utilizing Bluehost's hosting and its convenient built-in file manager. We will be uploading the files to the same folder where my new domain is currently pointed. Whether you are using FTP or the hosting's file manager, the process remains similar. By following the steps I will show you, you will be able to seamlessly transfer your website files to the new hosting environment. Let's get started with the file upload process in Bluehost's file manager, simplifying the migration of your WordPress website. As you can see, we are now looking at the WordPress installation directory. In order to complete the migration process, we need to upload both of the downloaded files individually here. By carefully following these steps, you will ensure that all the necessary files are transferred accurately to the new hosting environment. Let's proceed with the file upload, ensuring a smooth and successful migration for your WordPress website. Click on this upload button, select file, just locate the files under which you have downloaded. So in my case, I have downloaded my files under the downloads folder. So first of all, I am selecting the archive file. Then I am selecting the installer file. So as you can see that both of these files have been uploaded successfully. Now click on this go back button. Here we can see installer.php file and the zip file. Please make sure that you have uploaded both of these files under the root directory of your WordPress installation. So after uploading the file, let's go to the blog page and open that installer file. If you have uploaded the file successfully to the correct folder, then this duplicator installation page will give no error and it will simply open like this, the way it has opened up on my screen. So now we need the archive file name to be entered here. So let's get back and copy this archive file name. And paste it here. Click submit. Now it is saying that it is ready to connect to existing site database. Click apply. Action should be empty database, or you can select create new database as well, but I'm going with the empty database option so that I no more want my existing database or website to be here. Click validate. So everything seems fine. We don't see any of the critical error. So everything, file system is passed, PHP config is passed, everything seems good. Now check this, I have read and accept all terms and notices, checkbox, and click on next. Click OK. Now it has started the migration process for you. Please sit back and relax. Here you go. You can see that it has migrated your website successfully, and it is also giving you the quick summary that how many tables it has written and how many files it has scanned and all that. So at the end, go to your admin panel. Now you can see that I'm on the same domain and I will now log in with my same user ID and password that I was using on my this new blog on this domain before. So click on the login button. You can see that it is prompting you that this site has been successfully migrated. By default, Duplicator will handle is that it will automatically delete your installer PHP file and your archive zip file. But I will recommend you to go back to your file manager again, refresh the page, and make sure that the files are actually have been deleted or not. Otherwise, you can see that the files have been deleted, but you should take care of this thing, because otherwise this will expose your website to any external user, as the installer.php file was easily accessible by anyone on the internet. Now go to your new blog here. You can see that under this new domain, that was displaying the old blog before, now displaying the same new blog like I was showing you here under this website. So I have successfully cloned or migrated this domain to this new domain here. So that's all from today, and thank you for watching this video, and please like, subscribe this channel, and sharing is caring. We'll see you next in a couple of days with a new podcast or new tech tip. Bye bye.